He's gonna be dead meat. Dead meat. Dead meat. Dead meat. Justin, you're gonna be dead meat. You know if they get you, you're gonna die so bad. They can rip your skull off, do you know? Oh shit, it's right there! They're gonna rip your skull off. Justin, just go run up to it. Run up to it. They're gonna rip your head off. Shit.
Hello?
Justin, just go up to it. You got protection. Shit.
Why not you attack me for, huh?
Cause that's a mother, you idiot. The father's gonna come over in a second.
Why not attack me, huh? Oh, the father goes, pussy.
What? Did they run? Just go down, Justin.
Did someone climb over the fence with you?
No, go down. Shit! Shit! Holy crap.
One's on the house.
I think that's the father down there now.
Where? No, the one's on the house. One's on the house. Where'd that go?
Tell me if you can see that head poking out on that roof.
Where?
Anyone spot it?
Sound like a retard.
Come on, Justin Bieber.
What?
Oh shit! The crippled man is trying to get attacked by the plovers with an umbrella. He's a crippled man. Crippled. Will he get attacked or will he survive? We will find out on the next Plover Attack.